Do you have an orchid at home that looks like it's crying for help? Don't throw it away. Grab an old plastic bottle. You definitely have one lying around. Cut off the top part using a sharp tool. Then, make a few medium-sized holes in the bottle. A soldering iron works great for this. Add some holes at the bottom too, to ensure good airflow so your orchid can breathe better. Next, fill most of the bottle with a special orchid substrate. Take a stick and push it into the center of the bottle, deep into the soil. Use a clip to attach the orchid's roots to the stick so they stay stable. On top of the bottle, place some moss. It holds moisture better than bark, which is key for healthy growth. Spray the orchid with a special homemade fertilizer. You'll find the recipe in my other videos. After a while, new buds will begin to appear, and soon you'll see beautiful, healthy flowers again. It's a simple method that can bring your orchid back to life and help it bloom in all its glory.